dog that struggles with itching, paw licking, or seasonal allergies, this might be the easiest win you'll add to your routine. These allergy and immune probiotics were gifted to us, and I was excited to try them out on my dog. We've been using these for a little over a week, and the best part is these soft chews look and smell like treats. When I give them to my senior dog who gets really itchy, he gobbles it up immediately. I was really impressed that these are formulated to support gut health, digestive balance, immune support, and that important gut skin connection. I've noticed less scratching and improved overall comfort. They've worked so well for my senior dog that now I give them to my other three dogs too. These probiotic soft chews are pork flavored, easy to give, and designed for long term digestive and immune support for dogs of all ages.